Hi everyone, we have moved to a new home a couple of days after the puja, and what a chaos it was. But this time it is really exciting for someone who doesn't like shifting and moving a lot. This is our new home. Although we have already moved in, there are still some paintings and light fixtures that are pending, so simultaneously that is also being done.
Where are you? Did you find the present?
Been exhausted with all the shifting and moving and packing. This has been such a long day, so we have come out for dinner. This area is completely new to us. We've never been here before much, so we are trying out new hotels here.
Something that is. Ew.
Something that I was really excited when we were moving here is the walking area. Before, I did not really have much space to walk around. It's the next day morning and I'm making breakfast. Today is the first day I'm sending my son to school, so I have to pack everything early and be prepared when he comes back home as well. Moving back to regular unpacking things, I have arranged my crockery unit. Here is a quick tour of it. Although it's not completely how I want it to be, but it's pretty organized and I feel at peace for now. I got this huge cabinets done especially to keep groceries, and I'm really happy how it turned out. I've kept onion potatoes in the wicker basket and all the attas and greens that we use in huge quantity in the bottom drawers. And this is the top shelf which I have not touched at all, although I have kept some things, but it's not arranged at all. Today is also my work from home day, so I have to get some work done while having my cup of tea. The laundry has been piled up and it is bothering me, so today I decided to do all the laundry as well. Although I have folded all the clothes, I'm sure this is going to live here for another day. Please let me know in the comment section if you have a chair or a place in your home where all the laundry get piled up. I've been sitting and watching TV while working from a while now, and my watch is notifying me to stand up, so I'm going to get some steps in. It's almost time for lunch, so I'm going to prepare some sambar and rice beforehand so that I don't have to make another meal for dinner as well. This is what I do most of the times because my logout time is at 8 o'clock and I do not get much time to do anything after that. This sambar, I have taken some drumsticks, potato, onion, and tomato. I have washed all of them and chopped them. Now I'm adding all of the vegetables into a cooker, and also I have washed and kept some dal which I will add also, and I added plenty of water, 1 spoon of turmeric and a spoon of oil, and I let it whistle for 3 times. Now into a mixie jar I have taken some coconut pieces, sambar powder, and also a piece of turmeric which I have grinded really well. I have added this to the sambar and I let it boil for a minute. I have added some crystal salt. Simultaneously, I am also crushing some garlic for the tadka. Then I'm taking a pan, adding couple of spoons of oil, and also added some mustard into it. Then I'm adding some garlic and curry leaves. Once it's fried, I've added all the sambar into that. Post lunch, I worked all day. At the end of the day, it was so exhausting. I wanted some peace and quiet, so me and my son went downstairs to sit near the pool. So that was it for this vlog, and I hope you had fun watching this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.